Hi, I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt into a dress. There's two things you're going to need, a t-shirt and a pair of fabric scissors. But you're not going to need just any t-shirt. You are going to want to shop in the men's department for this shirt. This is an XXL. Obviously, depending upon your size, will gauge how big of a shirt you need. This is for me, I'm 5'8", so I wanted to get an XXL because you need to make sure it comes down long enough to work as a dress. And then the next thing you want to do, take your fabric scissors and cut off these sporty sleeves. Obviously, you want to cut right outside the seam, or actually this would be inside the seam. Follow right along the stitch. We're going to turn this into a summer dress, obviously. We're going to do like a tank top. All right, and then we want to do the same thing on the other side. You can see I have a cute belt handy because you're going to want to belt this and then add accessories. When choosing the shirt that you're going to cut into a dress, obviously I chose this because it was like a jersey fabric, so it's super soft, it's going to lay nice, and the color obviously I was attracted to. Great color for summer. Okay, so there's that. And now the next step, you want to cut off the collar. And again, I like to always start with about 1 inch. If you don't have a ruler, 2 fingers from the collar, do a snip. Let's go ahead and fold it in half so that we make sure it's a symmetrical cut. Alrighty, move that down. All right, start at your snip, and then you're just gonna cut all the way around back to the center. If you wanted to make this a skinnier tank top type dress, obviously you would just cut a little bit lower, cut more into the sleeve, but you always want to cut smart. It's better to cut less than cut too much. And let me just slip this on our supermodel over here. I know there's like a little sporty tag right there. I wasn't too worried about that because I love the color so much. And then just take your belt and you want to put your belt on. Cute little pair of heels, some loop earrings, some gold bangles, and you have yourself a super cute dress. That is how you cut a t-shirt into a dress. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angela. Have a great day.